Hey guys, Raim from Killer Inc here, and today I'm going to be showing you the Cheyenne HAWK PU IV power supply. Following on from the well-loved PU1 and 2 power supplies, the PU4 is the latest Cheyenne HAWK power unit on the market and the perfect accompaniment to the SOL range of rotary tattoo machines. So let's take a look at its features. Developed in cooperation with world-renowned tattoo artists, the Cheyenne HAWK PU IV is the recommended power supply to use with the brand SOL Nova, SOL Luna and SOL Terra machines. With an operating voltage range from 4.7 to 12.5 volts, the PU IV is ideal for the low frequency operation of Cheyenne's SOL family of rotary tattoo machines. In addition, tattoo machines from other brands can be easily connected to the PU IV via adapter cables, which are sold separately. You can check out our video review that covers the range of Cheyenne adapters and cables in the link in the description below. Thanks to its compact size, the Cheyenne PU IV is the perfect power supply for both tattoo studios and taking on the road to conventions and guest spots. It's also very versatile, thanks to both its magnetic back and base and integrated clip-on stand, which allows artists to place it wherever they need it on their workstation. The Cheyenne HAWK PU IV power supply features an intuitive display that can show the stitch frequency of your tattoo machine as a bar graph, or classically via the voltage. The last set values remain stored, so you can pick up where you left off quickly and easily. It also offers a stopwatch for measuring the time of a tattooing session. The PU IV has two modes for foot switch operation: latched, also known as maintained, and momentary. In latched mode, you can simply click on your foot switch to turn your tattoo machine on or off. For momentary mode, the foot pedal must be kept pressed down during tattooing. Made in Germany, the Cheyenne HAWK PU IV power supply is available to order from Killer Inc as a single unit or part of a bundle via the link in the description below. So now that you've seen the Cheyenne PU IV, what do you think? Will you be picking one up as your next power supply? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.